Hey guys, so welcome back to K for Cuckoo and if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Cuckoo और अगर आप ये फेस for the first time देख रहे हैं so go click that red button, वो सब्सक्राइब बटन है और उसी के साथ में बेल आइकन है, उसे भी क्लिक कर देना so you all get notified whenever I upload the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is K for Cuckoo और मैं आपको लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी in the description box below, तो आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे. I'll keep updating about my upcoming videos. And today I'm up with one of the most requested video on my channel, that is my desk tour. So in today's video I'm going to show कि आप एक customized productive study table कैसे बना सकते हैं. And the end of this video I'm going to give you a proper desk tour. क्योंकि अब आराम वगैरह तो बहुत हो गया, अब हमें अपने वो productive track पे आना है क्योंकि of course अब कॉलेज की एडमिशन्स के प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गए. बहुत लोगों को ऐसे ये एंट्रेंस टेस्ट भी देना है, कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जैसे JEE मेंस हो गया, नीट हो गया, तो इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि अब हम अपने वो प्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक पे अपने स्टडी स्केड्यूल पे वापस आ जाएं. और ये तो एक फैक्ट है कि अगर हम बेड पे बैठ के ऐसे एकदम बैक लगा के पढ़ते हैं तो हमारा जो कंसंट्रेशन लेवल है वो डिक्रीज होता है क्योंकि हम कंफर्टेबल ऐसे कोजी सा फील करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमारे पास एक टेबल, एक चेयर हो, हम वहाँ पे बैठ के पढ़ें ताकि हमारा प्रोडक्टिविटी लेवल इंक्रीज हो और हम कम टाइम में ज़्यादा सिलेबस कवर कर सकें. एंड टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट कि आप एक प्रोडक्टिव स्पेस कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स नॉट एट ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपके पास एक फुल फ्लेज स्टडी टेबल होना चाहिए विद ऑल शेल्व्स वगैरह. आप एक नॉर्मल चेयर टेबल से भी एक प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी टेबल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, अपना कस्टमाइज स्टडी टेबल बना सकते हैं. अब आप ये जो टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स ही अपकमिंग क्लिप्स में देखोगे, आप इन्हें यूज़ करके अपना कस्टमाइज्ड प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी टेबल बना सकते हैं. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो.
Firstly, take some empty containers and put your stationery items into these containers. It will look more organized. Then place some brown paper in your drawers so that it remain clean. So this is the first drawer and it is super close to the place where I sit and study. So in this drawer I'll place only the necessary items such as a hole punching machine, sticky notes which I used quite often, geometry, this is a type of notepad, some markers, highlighters, pencils, rulers, scissors, fevisticks and erasers. This is paper clip and chocolate. And if you don't know, chocolate increases your concentration and focus, so it is really very important to have some type of snacks. You can also have nuts. You should not study empty stomach. It is really very important that your stomach should be filled. Moving towards the next shelf, in this I have already placed brown paper and now I'm placing my books. And of course right now it's quite empty because I haven't bought my new session books, but here I'm placing some dictionary and general studies booklets. So done with this one and moving towards the next shelf. So here we have 3 compartments as you can see. So starting from the bottom, here I have kept my pencil colors, sketch pens, painting colors and some of that stuff. As you can see, I have quite a lot of pencil colors. This is because I have shared previously also in one of my video, that is what's in my school bag, that I use these pencils color to underline the important text in my books. It's look quite colorful and also attention seeking as well. And in this second shelf I have kept Fevicol, duster and dictionary, I mean some random stuff. And moving to the topmost shelf, I have kept a simple jar, YouTube diary and a booklet in which I write my to-do list. Moving towards bottom, here I'm keeping my whiteboard. You know, I use this whiteboard to write something which I find difficult. Here I'm placing small dustbin, so you can put trash in this dustbin and it can prevent you from roaming here and there. In this last drawer I'm putting my school bag. Now it's time for little DIY, and for that you need sticky notes, markers. So see, it's really very important to inspire and motivate yourself to study. External factors gonna motivate up to some extent only. In last, it's you have to motivate yourself. So here I'm taking some sticky notes and write inspiring quotes on them, and make sure to put this in front of your eyes where you sit and study, so that you can focus on your goal and study. Please avoid shortcuts. It should be handwritten, because then it will have a next level impact on you. You should definitely try this technique whenever you feel down or think that I can't do this. Just read these quotes and it will fill you with another level of energy. And make sure the surface on which you studied should be as vacant as possible. It will prevent you from distractions. It's really very important to have proper light where you study, so you can use lamp light or natural light as well. So here's the final desk tour.
with this, we have come to the end of this video and I really hope that you like this video, and if you do so then please like, share and subscribe to K for Cuckoo. और मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ in my next video, and don't forget to share your views about this study table in the comment section below. और आप मुझे और भी videos की recommendations कर सकते हैं in the comment section below, or can connect with me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.